Hello, and welcome to BrushMyQuant channel. If you want to increase your knowledge of maths and wish to receive regular updates from us, then consider subscribing to the channel by clicking on the subscribe icon to the right bottom of the screen. So let's get started with today's topic on coordinate geometry, very specifically on equation of a line. This is the part 2 of this series. If you want to watch the basics of coordinate geometry, then do check out a link to the same in the description of this video, where I talk about the basics of coordinate geometry. In this video, we are going to talk about different types of equation of a line, which include two-point form equation of a line, point and slope form, intercept form, generic equation of a line, which is also called as point and intercept form, an equation of horizontal and vertical lines. So let's start with two-point form equation of a line. So let's say we have the xy plane, and then we have this line, which is passing through 2 points A and B, whose coordinates are x1, y1, and x2, y2. Let's say we take a point C on the line, whose coordinates are x, y. Now, using the formula for slope of a line, if we compare slope of this part of the line to slope of this part of the line, since they are part of the same line, so their slope will also be same. So that means y minus y1 divided by x minus x1, which is the slope of the part CA of the line, is equal to slope of the entire line which passes through B and A, is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. And we can write the two-point form equation of a line as y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1. So given 2 points, we can use this formula where x and y will be variables, and then we can substitute the value for x1, y1 and x2, y2 to come to this equation of a line. Now let's see the point and slope form of the line. So using the same formula which we got on the previous slide, y minus y1 is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 multiplied by x minus x1. Now in this, if you notice, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1 is nothing but slope m of the line. So the equation of the line can very well be written as y minus y1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x1, where x1, y1 will be the coordinate of one of the points through which the line is passing, and m is the slope of the line. Now let's see the intercept form of the line. So let's say there's a line which is cutting the x-axis at point A, which is A, 0, and y-axis at point B, which is 0, B, making A, 0 as the x-intercept and 0, B as the y-intercept. Let's use y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to the slope formula as the equation of the line. And let's substitute the value of x1, y1 as A, 0 and x2, y2 as 0, B, so that we get y minus 0 by x minus A is equal to minus B by A. Or if you simplify that by taking A to the left hand side and x minus A to the right hand side, AY is equal to minus BX plus AB. Or taking BX to the left side, BX plus AY is equal to AB. Now dividing both these sides by AB, we get x by A plus y by B is equal to 1, which is nothing but the intercept form of equation of a line. Now let's look at generic equation of a line, which is also called as point and intercept form of the line. So let's say there's a line which cuts the y-axis at point B, which is 0, B. Using the equation y minus y1 is equal to m multiplied by x minus x1, putting x1 as 0 and y1 as b, we will get y minus b is equal to m multiplied by x, or the equation or the generic equation of the line as y is equal to mx plus b. Let's look at equation of horizontal and vertical lines. So let's say we have a horizontal line which is parallel to x-axis, cutting y-axis at point B, which is 0, B. Now all the points on this particular line, so all the points on this particular line will have the same distance from x-axis, which is nothing but b. So that means the only constant in this equation is y is equal to b. So that becomes the equation of this line. When we talk about a line which is perpendicular to x-axis or parallel to y-axis, Let's say it is cutting x-axis at point A, and the point is a comma 0. Again, all the points on this line will have a distance of a from the y-axis, making the equation of this line as x is equal to a, because the x coordinate of all the points on this line will always be a. So equation of horizontal and vertical lines will be y is equal to constant in case of horizontal lines and x is equal to constant in case of vertical lines. Hope you were able to understand the concepts taught in this video about equation of a line, and we look forward to sharing more videos with you next week. Thank you.